Are you struggling with fatty liver disease? Well, I've got some game-changing information that could help you tackle this condition naturally. Today we're diving into how two powerful nutrients, choline and omega-3 fatty acids, can be your allies in reversing fatty liver disease. Let's start with choline, a nutrient that many people have never heard of, but it's absolutely crucial for liver health. Think of choline as your liver's personal housekeeper, helping to transport and process fat in your liver. Without enough choline, fat starts accumulating in your liver cells, leading to fatty liver disease. So where can you find this magical nutrient? Nature has blessed us with several delicious sources. Egg yolks are absolute champions when it comes to choline content. Just 2 eggs give you about half your daily needs. Beef or chicken liver might not be everyone's favorite, but they're incredibly rich in choline. Salmon, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and soybeans are also excellent sources. Now let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, your liver's anti-inflammatory best friends. These healthy fats work like firefighters, helping to reduce inflammation in your liver and throughout your body. They also help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fat accumulation in liver cells. You might be thinking about fish oil supplements, but there are many delicious ways to get your omega-3s naturally. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of omega-3s. Just sprinkle them on your morning yogurt or smoothie. Flaxseeds and walnuts make great snacks and are loaded with these healthy fats. If you're vegetarian or vegan, algae-based supplements are an excellent alternative. Here's how to put this knowledge into action. First, try to include at least one choline-rich food in your daily meals. Maybe start your day with eggs or add some cruciferous vegetables to your dinner. Make omega-3s a priority by having fatty fish twice a week, or incorporating seeds and nuts into your daily routine. But here's something crucial to remember. While adding these nutrients is important, you'll need to cut back on some things too. Processed foods and sugars are like throwing gasoline on the fire when it comes to fatty liver disease. Replace them with whole, nutrient-rich foods instead. Before making any major changes to your diet, though, it's wise to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help you create a personalized plan that takes into account your specific health situation. Remember, reversing fatty liver disease isn't an overnight process, but with these powerful nutrients on your side, you're giving your liver the support it needs to heal and recover. Start making these changes today, and your liver will thank you tomorrow.